I am ginger beer. I had to do it.
When this goes on YouTube, it's gonna
I don't care.
make all that.
Don't worry. Everyone knows that I'm not embarrassed. I act embarrassed in time, but then later I'm like, yeah, let's do it. Oh, we got someone here. Hello. Welcome to our Countertop Epoxy Live. I am Kaia with Countertop Epoxy. .com, yes. Today we're going to do a marble design, but we're doing it more of like a dirty pour. So it's going to be a little bit different. We're using our FX Black Label Epoxy. We already have our colors kind of put together. So we've got our white. We did some custom colors. So we have some grays. We did gray mica powders, like silver. We also did some like charcoal. We did some pearl. We added some glitter. So they're very different ones. But I think we're going to have some fun pouring these. So I just want to see what temperature we're at. Give it a quick little stir.
And what is the mixing ratio for the black label countertop?
The black label is going to be a 1-to-1 ratio. So, and all of our different kits, right on those on the containers, it's going to say what your mixing ratio is. So we are about 93 on this one. This one said 98, so we're going to want to get these out of the container. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump her in here.
Can anyone give me a follow?
No, I can't. I'm busy. Auto blocks it? Yes.
Quite a few people here.
All right. Well, hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us on our Countertop Epoxy Live. We're on TikTok, right?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, cool. I'm actually going to do... this one next. We're just going to dump her in there.
Where do you get your epoxy resin?
Oh, we get ours right from our own website, and it's our own product. So everything is available in the link in bio. It's the Countertop Epoxy. So visit countertopepoxy.com. We have everything from wall epoxy, we have flooring epoxy, countertop epoxy, outdoor epoxy, all sorts of different things. We have different kits, and we also have a great customer service line that you guys can get a hold of if you have any questions, or if there's a project you have in mind, you're a little scared to do it, give our customer service line a call, and they're more than happy to help you plan out your project. And they'll get you set up with all the things you need too.
So what kind of grays are these?
These are some custom-made grays. We do, of course, have like a silver liquid pigment, a gray liquid pigment, silver mica powder, all these different colors, but we decided to just kind of do something different. So we did like a charcoal, we added some white liquid pigment, we did a gray powder, we did a gray liquid, added white.
Your breathing's intense for some.
I'm sorry. Sorry, I'll chill out on the breathing. I'll just not breathe.
Someone wants to do a table.
A table? Oh, that would be cool.
When we pin it.
Yeah. Oh, my hair.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm ragging her.
It's not nice.
There you go.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but check out this color with that glitter in it.
It's pearl with the
Snow glitter.
snow glitter, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we have everything in our bin. Oops, I'm making a mess. It's okay, I'm allowed to. So I'm just going to do a really quick... Oh, yes, actually, great idea. Let's add some charcoal spray to it, but just a little bit. Just to kind of...
What is that spray?
This is our 99% isopropyl alcohol. So what that does is that helps pop bubbles. You can also put mica powders in it to help add color to it, which is the reason why I sprayed it, is I wanted that darker charcoal color. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this out of the bucket. All right. Very simple pour, yeah.
Good.
All right, give it a little scrape. Where is everyone tuning in from today?
I didn't check our decimal, and I wonder if it's really high on you. Oh, it is. I'm gonna just turn that down.
Oh. Is that why I'm breathing so heavy? Doesn't help that I'm naturally a loud person, and I think Levi kind of whispers when he talks. Should I talk like this, guys? This is better. Should do some ASMR.
Texas.
Texas, all right. Hello, Texas.
Approximately, what is the dollar amount of what you just poured? So we did like a fourth of our 2-gallon kit, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Maybe, I don't know if that equals to.
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. All of our prices are available on our website, so you can visit countertopepoxy.com, or you can also call our customer service line, 970-361-7. Never mind, 970-639-9338. I started saying my phone number. Whoops. Let's see. So I do want to spread it. What do you think? Should I kind of dump it a little bit, or should I like tilt it, or should I use like a roller?
You could tilt it. Or
I don't know if I want to.
I wouldn't roll it.
Yeah, okay. Let's do a stick. Let's try that. Just try to spread it out just a little.
Good evening from Yorkshire, UK.
Oh, Yorkshire, UK. That's cool.
We will be in the UK in June.
Yeah. What time is it in the UK?
It's probably like 2 o'clock.
Like 2 a.m.?
Someone said tilt.
Someone says tilt it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, maybe I'll do like this line with half of it, and then we'll tilt for the other part. Just see how it changes things.
It's 2035.
2035. What is that? 9? Is that 9:35? I don't know. I don't know military time, guys. I'm on the spot right now. Usually I feel like I'm good at this, but now I'm scared. I could be wrong. Okay, let's grab it. Let's push it like that.
8:35 in the evening.
Oh, 8:35. Oh, okay. Thank you for that. Appreciate it. How am I doing over there? Am I dripping off on that side yet?
Not yet, almost.
Okay.
When you lay sparkles, do you have to do a clear coat over it?
You don't have to. No, it should naturally just cure on its own. And a lot of times it will kind of stick into it, and especially if you mix it in with your epoxy, then it'll still have like a nice glazed top coat. If you sprinkle it on top, you may want to do a clear finish on top just because it's going to be so thick on the top, but you should be okay. I just realized I said on top like 4 times in that sentence. Da-na-na-na-na.
I don't know where people can they find our workshop information.
Yes, so if you do Countertop Epoxy and then /training-classes, or countertopepoxy.com/training-classes, you should be able to access all of our class locations and times. Should have all the details, what you're going to learn in each class, how long they are, the prices, all of that stuff. So it is, yes, it is, yeah. I guess that's an easier way to put it.
Can they hear me? Very few things just cure on their own in my experience. Dropping bombs.
Very few things cure on their own. Well,
Typically one needs the topical cream.
okay. Hi, dropping bombs. Why am I not surprised that a comment like that comes from you? Let's see.
Laura said, hey, hey.
Hey, Laura. Hello. How are you doing? You guys staying out of trouble? Because I'm not. Okay.
This is pretty.
Well, thank you. I'm going to try to get some of this and just like...
Snow glitter. I don't know if you can see
hoping that would show up better. Yeah, I'm sad that I brushed this in. It was a good learning curve because I really like that the glitter shows up so like thick on that side.
Dropping boxes. She's trying so hard not to run this conversation into the ditch. Laura said, "Trouble? What's that?" Laughing.
Yeah, we don't know what that is.
Oh, sorry. You can see it. Oh, they can see it.
Oh, they can see the glitter? Okay.
Torch that baby.
That's what I'm thinking, yeah. I really like these white lines in here and then like the glitter shining through. I love that. It reminds me of like a river. Okay, I need some alcohol. My gloves are not okay. Alky. Oh, then right there too. Look at that. Boom, boom.
Should I show them my casting?
Yes, you should, please. With wood you stole from my camping trip.
Guys, this is my casting project.
His casting project. It turned out really good. Show him the other side too of it. I'm gonna drop it, so I'm not gonna hold it very long. All right, we're gonna run a torch over this. My hands are still sticky. My goodness. It's fine. I'll get it later.
Laura said fiberglass. I think we use acrylic ice.
Oh, I'm not sure. You're the one who did that part.
Yeah. It was some sort of, I think, acrylic ice and like crushed mirror.
Something like that. All right. So the torch works to help pop bubbles. It does add a little bit of heat though, so you want to make sure you're torching at the very end, because otherwise you're going to start flash curing and then you're not able to work with your epoxy any longer. Oh, look at all those little bubbles in there. It turned out so nice. Pretty happy with that. All right, I'm going to go over it one more time though, just to make sure I got it all nice and popped. What was that? I was thinking about it, but I'm not entirely sure. I kind of like it the way that it is. I don't want to add too many. Yeah, I don't want to add too many colors to it and mix it up more. I think I like the complexity of just the simple colors as it is together. And I think there's a lot of like just mini selling as it is without adding more.
Yeah, it'll just blur it.
Yeah. So I think I'm content with this.
Drop them on so that they could see that on a shower wall.
Oh, that would look cool. Yeah, I think so. I agree.
So what method did you use?
So we started with the mindset of a marble, but then we went into a dirty pour, which is where we took all these different colors, threw them into a bucket, and then just kind of dumped it out. We tilted it a little bit. We switched it around with a paint stick a little bit, and then we ended up with this.
Bill said it looks like real stone. That's really awesome.
Oh, thank you so much.
Beautiful.
I'm never on this side of actually pouring epoxy. I'm usually on the side of the phone. So thank you for that compliment. And if it looks like garbage, don't tell me. Just kidding, you can tell me.
Okay. So, we might be back tomorrow.
All right, perfect. Well, thank you guys for hopping on and joining us for our live today. We'll probably be back on tomorrow. I'm not entirely sure what we're going to do. I know we have some St. Patty's ideas we might go through with. So stay tuned for something green or maybe gold or something of the like. Again, we are Countertop Epoxy. My name is Kaia, and thank you so much for joining us today. I'm getting a beer.